Well, this is a interesting day we're having so far. Snow beginning to fall here where I live, Kingsford. Heading over near my house. I just saw the back of a train that hopefully I can get in front of. Wish me luck. Anyway, you might realize I have a little better picture right now. That's because I'm using my brand new camera. So sit back, relax. We're gonna see what this camera looks like and what it shows up as. Right now, I'm not shooting it in 4K. I don't have a chip that is capable of supporting 4K, so I'm gonna have to use this. I think it's shooting 60 frames a minute or second or whatever. I don't know. Hope this cop right here don't see me holding a camera up and driving. No? Yeah? No? Good. We're good. All right. Anyway, we're gonna go down here and see if we can't catch this train coming through. I'm gonna keep the camera going because this will be my very first video using this this camera, and truthfully, I'm not sure on the editing part yet. So how about we just keep this one shot and we'll just keep rolling with it. Ooh, not too slick here. Not too slick here. Anyway, we just took a left off of M95 onto Breen. We're gonna follow Breen here just east a few blocks, and the train tracks will be right there. You guys will have to comment down below how it looks. Like I said, I'm gonna get out of the car here and we'll see about sound. Kind of windy today. I hope this is better on sound, sound issues that I've had before. Anyway, a beautiful snowy day here in Upper Michigan. Looking at, I think like 5 to 9 inches or more. I guess we'll see, huh? All right, we're gonna take a left on this little road, which you can't see because of the snow that's here. Oh, look, a train, just in time. We're just gonna park here, leave the car. Leave the car and we'll go out here and film as it crosses. All right. Alrighty. All in one shot. They're probably laughing at me running down the tracks right now. Let me flip this around here. See what I look like. Hey, look at me. Ding, 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 ding. Strange blue tint on the screen. I sure hope it's just on the screen. I don't know why everything seems to have a blue tint in the background. That is so weird. Like I said, I got some a few kinks to work out. Something to figure out on this camera. Maybe it's just on the screen that makes it look funny. I don't know. Escanaba Lake Superior Railroad heading south on a very snowy day. The next video tomorrow, probably, or today, will probably look a lot different on here. Sweet. New camera. Hey Fred, look, I got a new camera, eh? How cool is that? All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, comment below what this new camera looks like, film-wise or voice-wise. Let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna work on trying to get better pictures, better video for you guys, and hope 2021 is a lot better for all of us. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. Have a great day, everybody.